Where mistakes get made typically is at the front end. Crime scenes are very chaotic situations. They're complex. Evidence routinely often gets missed. And if it's missed, it's gone forever, and there's not much we can do after that. The second problematic area is courtroom testimony. Expert witnesses do not control the narrative in court. Lawyers do. And it's something that anybody who testifies in a professional capacity really needs training to do, and they simply don't get the training that is typically required. And so we really felt that we really wanted to be a leader in training individuals who are involved, particularly on the front end and in the background of the investigation.
A lot of beginning experts in forensics or beginning crime scene investigators will have that question as to what do I expect with regard to furniture and bloodstains and possible bullet fragments. Like, how do I even begin to look and search those scenes? So this center is designed, again, as a one-stop shop to get all that done and out of the way. So it'll kind of give you that experience ahead of time.
Proper training is vital to casework. We need to get it right, or at least get to as close as possible to the best explanation of events that happen at these violent crimes. So proper training for EMTs, law enforcement at all levels, forensic scientists, attorneys. We all need to know what each other is doing so that we can best do our job, but also do our job so that the people on the back end have the proper information to be able to reconstruct and put it all together. This center is very special because we have a crime scene space, which you would collect evidence from the crime scene, and then the evidence is submitted to the laboratory, which is literally a few feet away from the crime scene, and then a few feet from that is a courtroom.
This center will give you that collaboration that is desperately needed in the sworn law enforcement community, in addition to the forensic community as a whole.
From the day I stepped on campus, my goal was to make Cedar Crest College a national leader in forensic science education and training. And I think this is just part of that journey. I do think we've established a national and in some cases an international reputation for excellence in forensic science education. And I think this is just going to help accelerate that process.